We are going to what y'all be waiting for. We're going to go to the bag, the blue bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Now, in this, I'm doing Fashion Nova, Macy's, and Amazon. So, I'm just going to go with Fashion Nova first. So, I ordered this. I didn't order a lot of stuff. This is my first time ordering from Fashion Nova, by the way. Just a few things that I liked. So, the first one is I think it's a sweater. Oh, it's a cute bag. Oh, they got cute bags too. And, you know what? Let me open it this way. I'm not gonna save the bag. Like I said, I'll be saving the Shein bag. So, like, you know, when you go on vacation, you can use them in packs. I'm just saying. I don't know if I want to save that. But this is a sweater. Oh, this is a cute sweater. Oh, this is a sweater. I like how it is. It's a very cute sweater. It's the back is very cute. It's like, you know, like a going out sweater. Everything was a paper. I don't remember. But it came quick, so I'm surprised. It was like a week. It's been a week. Yeah, it was $15, and I got it for. I had a code for this too, so I got it for $13. It's a cute little thing, and I got some boy shorts, some boy boots for me. I thought it was cute, so I'm like, let me get some of these for myself. Yeah, it was $15, and I got it for $13.50. It's how much in the box? Three in the box. Let me see how. I want to see how it is. Let's see how. It's a medium, so they should fit me. Oh yeah. I have to go when I want to wear it to bed or something. But yeah. Medium. I just smell like that, bro. I don't like how it smells. Oh, that's all these. Oh, they sent me a coupon. I got a free Nova Cash for $10. When do we expire? Do we ever expire? Oh, we expired the 31st. Look at that. Well, guess what? I'm not ordering anything from Fashion Nova. So, you know what? Who going? I don't know who's ordering from Fashion Nova. You know what? I'm gonna put it in the description. So whoever get it. Because I'm not gonna order anything from Fashion Nova by the 31st. I'm not ordering nothing else from Fashion Nova. So, Fashion Nova, I think y'all slick. But anyways, it's $10. If y'all want it, the code is right there. Take it. It's free $10. But yeah, and I ordered boy short. No, this is a girl shorts. Let me open this one. I'm gonna just rip this one because I don't see anything like this. It's a cute little bati rider. This is way in the house, of course. So when I'm going to sleep. I thought it was just so cute. Well, they look good on the model, so like it's cute. So it was a medium. I got it for $6. That's how it look on the girl. It's right here. So it's a medium. This is my size. It's a medium large. So, and it's stretchable, very stretchable. Anyways, but yeah, put that to the side. What does my order? Boxers. Oh yeah, what a pair of jeans. Oh, and earrings. Hold on. Where the bag at? Wait. I ordered a pair of earrings. I think they're done. Hold on, I know you lying. Why are they so small? Look how small they look on the thing. I ordered a pair of studs. They're not small, bro. How much did I pay for this? It was $5. I paid $4.49. Why is it so small? I thought it was big. I swear. Whatever, man. Oh. There. Pair of earrings. A pair of earrings. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4 stuff up. 5 stuff up from Fashion Nova. Came up to $60. Never again. First time, last time I was at Fashion Nova. These are cute. Oh. These are not gonna fit me. Y'all ever do the neck thing? Let's see if it's gonna fit. Oh, if I gotta force it, it's not gonna fit. You know what? Once I keep drinking my green tea, I'm good. My thighs is getting thick though. It's a little stretchable, a little bit. But I like these pants. So, they're so cute they are. Let's see. How much I pay for these again? Why don't say Fashion Nova in there, bro? Why don't say Fashion Nova in the tag? They trying to play me? This was $17.99. It was I got it for $16.19. This is my first time buying these from Fashion Nova. I hope it's fit me, because my thighs is getting thick. But yeah, so that was it. That's it for Fashion Nova. We're gonna go to Macy's. We're going to what y'all be waiting for. We're gonna go to the bag, the blue bag. Yeah, me appetite. Jesus. This bag, oh my god, look at this bag. Look at the bag. Look at the bag. Oh, Jesus. I got you for, yeah, it was $98. It was $98. See? I got it for 40. Oh, what is it? 40. Hold on, let me check. I don't remember how much it was. I keep going from app to app. Macy's app. I think it was $40, right? Face ID. 44. $44. And what is this? Remember? It's an extra strap or something. I don't know if I like this extra strap. Let's open it. Let's see how good it is. Oh, it comes with 2 straps. I'm bugging, not the extra strap. Yeah, you girl, are you that? Yes. Check out the bag. Yeah, girl. I'm hyped for this bag. I can't believe I paid $40 for this bag. Yo, me love clearance. Don't play with me. Oh my god, yo, this bag has a lot of pockets. Look at that bag I'm showing. Alright, so this has a lot of pockets. Watch out. The compartment and there's one bag here. No, sir. This is a nice bag. What? Look there. This is the part where the zipper is. The zipper right here. We can put your money on your oh yeah, so what's it? Oh, your money and your phone and your other compartment where you can put, I don't know where you can put this, but we can also find something to put there. I'm gonna put this bag back in the bag because I'm not gonna use the bag yet, but I'm just showing you all the compartments. How much do they? 1, 2, 3, and this one this is the one we have all the pockets so you can put your cards. You see them? Look at that. This bag is nice. I cannot tell this bag is not nice. Yeah, girl, you can save. Don't care what people want to say about you're cheap or whatever. Okay? Who could say they got a guess back for $40? Well, the other people that bought it because it sold out quick, but I can say I got a guess back for $40. Me can't say that. We can't say that, but me can't say that. I can't think the bag is nice. That's what I'm not care on the sex. I don't care if I like it or whatever. Me love it. I can't wait to wear this go somewhere. Oh, I'm still showing the back part. We can put this on. What the fuck is the bag also? Jesus. Yo, me love the bag here. And a blue, no? That's the reason why I love this bag, because it's blue. It's my favorite color. But on the bag, look on the bag. Look on the bag. This is a nice bag. What a beautiful bag. You can check to me. Put it over there for y'all. It is a spotlight. You're right here. So. Want to know this? You still listen, my girl? What's your heart? See my girl, you want to be in that video? They go in there. What's all over this? So, we're going to name. I'm going to name her. We're going to name. I'm going to name it yet. But I'm going to give you one name. I don't know what name I'm going to give you. But I'm going to give you one name. Alright. I should have said the best for last, but I'm not too excited to open the bag because I did rip it because I did open this because I had to pick up 2 orders from Macy's and I bought a gift for my friend, so I was trying to see which one was mine. So that's why it was open. Alright, so I bought me white diamonds. Oh Jesus, Elizabeth Taylor white diamonds. You what the lady say? The lady say a girl can have more diamonds. So the lady say, it smells so good. Watch here. I had the personal one. This is a travel size. I'm definitely gonna put it in my purse. You can't put it in my purse. Okay, can't put it in my purse. Definitely travel sizes. I'm definitely bringing it in my purse. But yeah. Oh my god, if y'all can smell this. If y'all never smell Elizabeth Taylor white diamonds, y'all need to. This smells so good. But yeah. See, big one here. I'm gonna use she for a while. Make sure, no? Hold on. And this is the body cream. Smells. I know it smells good. I'm not wrong. It's sealed, but that's how you can still smell it. That's how it's strong, but it's not strong like extremely strong, you know. I like cologne that's to stay on you for a while, but not too much. You know your dog still back? I don't know why they don't give more bone. Sure. Don't worry them back. The man fed up. Alright. Okay, so yeah, I had to buy this myself. It was $67. Like, I had to get it. See, retail price $67. Yeah, this is affordable. Not say that always not affordable. I'm just not spending that much money for one cologne. I refuse to do that. Like I said, one day I will treat myself when I feel like it, when I'm ready to. But now. No. But this one, right, diamonds by Elizabeth Taylor. Alright, what else I need? Oh, and she gave me a receipt. She gave me a free tote bag for my order, with my order. Oh, very shiny. But I'm gonna use it. I don't know for what. This is a regular tote bag. You have no pockets, no nothing. See it? Something? What am I gonna say so, yo? Yeah, it's a regular tote bag. You don't have no pockets, no nothing. Just throw everything inside and go about your business. Oh, so white diamonds. Oh, so it's a Taylor tote bag. I didn't even know this. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. It's a Taylor bag. I didn't know that. Did not know that. But yeah. Do y'all remember Rihanna perfume? Look at it, it's almost done. It's not fully finished yet, but it's almost done. I've had this since, I want to say 2016 or 17. I know I bought it after the other cologne I finished, the one that I had bought to meet her. So after that one I finished, I bought this one. Ooh, let me show y'all something. This is the one that I had when I met her. Yes, I still have it from 2015. The smell is still on there. It still smells on there. That's crazy. It's done, but it's still at the top. It smells so good. But I wish they had bring this back because it smells so freaking good. But yeah, I was saying this one, I have bought this one, that one finished. The regular perfume, it came with this and the regular, so this is like the travel size or whatever, and the regular perfume. So, and I had to make sure that perfume lasted. Matter of fact, I didn't buy this 2016 because I met her in 2015. I met her in 2015, and I had that cologne would last me. I made sure that cologne lasts me a couple years. Honestly, don't remember where I threw it out. It's either 2019. I think it's when I finished that bottle. I actually threw it out. But I made sure I was pinching it like I was saving it. I had it for like 4 years since, but I don't remember where y'all bought this. This was, I think it's a Rebel Fur. I don't honestly remember the name of this one. I think it's a Rebel Fur if I'm not rich. Rebel Fur or something like that. What's the name of it? If I know this Rihanna thing, comment. I think I know the name of it. Let me check. Yeah, it was Rebel Fur. Oh, did she have the black one on sale? Where? Oh, this one looks small though. Oh yeah, see? It's a small one. Fragrance Net. 3.4 ounce. How many ounces is this? This is 3.4 ounce. Oh, so it's big like this then. Look, it's this one. See it? Rebel Fleur. If I'm saying it right, Rebel. Yeah, Rebel Fleur. This is a black. Oh, I didn't know they had this. How much is this? $20. Well, the reviews are saying is good, so it's gotta be the real one. Oh, this is a cologne I had. Oh my god, this is a Rihanna cologne I had when I met Rihanna, and this comes with it. It was $115? I don't remember, but I'm like, I had to meet her. I met her downtown Brooklyn in that Macy's that I literally just went to go pick up my stuff from. That's where I met her in 2015. But yeah, I didn't know they had this on here. I know you for $23. I know you lying. I love this freaking Sweet and Light. Oh my god, this is a real one too. Yo, why am I about to buy this though for $23? The wind is messing with my door. But anyways, this is the only cologne I had, so that's why I had to buy the white diamond. I was using my mom cologne with a finish, and I actually did save the bottle just for the scents, just to remind me of her. But yeah, this is it. My room is very Macy. I think that's it. Oh, let me show you something that I ordered from Amazon. Oh yeah, I'll show you a part of my Amazon order. Hey y'all, today's Friday, and I ordered something yesterday, and it came, or part of it came. It says it's gonna come Tuesday, but I didn't. They just bring it to me just now. I was like, okay, so I'm gonna open it now because I don't want to bring this box with me. I do not want to bring this box with me. So it's a clay powder. You know, like the other clay, Indian clay. And I bought screen protectors for my son's iPad because he really needed it. So there's supposed to be Twitter in there. It better be two. I ain't playing with them. This is the clay. Got them in these boxes upstairs. There you go. For my acne, because y'all know my acne is crazy. Let me put this over here. But I'm watching Sisters.
It matters because you are a lying snake of a man. Yeah,
I'm so glad Andy is done with this man.
Who's having threesomes with strangers? Get out of my house.
Oh, no, took her a while, but I'm glad she's so done with him. Wow. He is such a manipulator. Can't stand him.
Careful.
He plays his part so good in this damn show. It's crazy.
Saying something you're gonna regret.
You ever heard of this? I just started taking it 2 days ago, and honestly, they said to use 15 drops, but I don't use 15 drops, I'm not gonna lie. But it's good for your immune system. You cleanse and support. It's a digestive tract detoxifier, intentional cleanse, support, energy, and immunity boosts. So TikTok made me buy this, by the way. So if y'all go on TikTok and you type it in, y'all see the benefits of it. It's green, so when you pour it, you're supposed to drop it in your water and drink it every day. And it's good for acne. See, you can see it. See, it's good for acne, and it detoxes you, cleans you out. And what else? Yeah, it helps you clear up the acne. So I'm like, my skin is ready, so I'm trying to see if it really it's gonna work. I just started taking it, so I don't have no progress, no update yet. I'm gonna let y'all know if it really works. So, cause I'm not gonna eat no fast food. I'm not gonna eat no fried chicken. I'm not gonna eat no Popeyes. I'm really gonna just drink this with water and see if it really will clear my skin up. No sweets, no none of that. But yeah, I bought it from Amazon. I paid $7.95 for it. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna keep using this in water and see if it works. And I'm gonna let y'all know. Well, y'all will see if my skin gonna clear up. But that's not the only thing I'm gonna use. So I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna just use that. I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar with the clay thing and my other stuff for my face. But I need my skin to clear up. Like, I'm not playing. But yeah, so guys, this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, leave some comments, and subscribe if you're new, and welcome. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back and watch your girl with her new bag. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.